Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the serial number of your Apple Watch 7. So first let's go back to your clock face or watch face by pressing on the digital crown button and pressing it again to go back to your clock face, and then press on your digital crown button. In here in the app screen, tap on the settings button and then go down and tap on General. In General, go down and tap on About. Then you want to swipe up to go down. In here, you will be able to find the serial number. And you can also use the crown button to scroll up and down to view the serial number. And that's it. After that, you can press on the crown button to go back to your app screen, or press on it again to go back to the clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.